Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards. We have 4 of water, 9 of fire and 3 of air. So in your situation, guys, maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, maybe for some of you, you are seeing your circumstances, maybe something happening, something unexpected coming your way, and you don't know what is your next step, what you need to do, or where your situation is heading. So some kind of difficulty, uncertainty is what you see, and you are questioning yourself or questioning the people in your work situation or in your personal life, what is the right thing to do. Maybe you are inviting suggestions or ideas from this person, and you are someone who is really dedicated, working hard, devoted to whatever you take up. So you are putting in lot of efforts. You want to overcome these obstacles you see in your situation, guys, and maybe certain things are not happening. There may be some delays in work and things are not going as you expected. Your dreams are not coming true. So some kind of uncertainty and some kind of boredom or some kind of things are not happening in the expected timeline, guys, and you need to evaluate yourself, evaluate your situation before making some important choices. So if you are in the verge of making some important decisions for yourself in your work or relationship, you have to think it through, guys, because this may not be the right time. And maybe for some of you there is a third party involved in this relationship, and this person is not truly in love with you, and they have someone else in their heart, and they are focusing on that person, or they are interested in that other person. So there is some kind of you feel rejected or sad because of that, but you need to understand that it is for your best, guys, and rejection is God's way of protection for you, protecting you from more difficulty and pain. And there will be you will have better chances at love with a much better person who will be someone you love, someone who understands you. So you need not worry, guys. You can let go of that hurt and discomfort and believe that this situation will also change for something better, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces, for your reading today. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card here. It says all that glitters. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe in your situation, in your relationship, the circumstance calls for you to see the truth, the genuine truth behind what this person is speaking or what they are showing you, guys. The need to see beyond the superficial. Maybe sometimes we try to impress people and we we act or behave in such a way that is not true to our true nature. So we add more drama and we make ourselves more appealing to the other person. We try to hide behind that sparkle and shine. And also sometimes we fail to see the true nature or the truth in that person when we often go for glitz and glamour, guys, which is so desirable. So we often miss the people who are truly genuine towards us. So it is time to look beyond the surface. That is what this card is about, beyond the mask, to see the essence of that other person and who that person is, not what he or she can give you. That is what is important, guys, the true essence of that person. So only if you connect with that true essence, with that truth, you are going to be able to truly connect with that other person. So you should not think of what this person can do for you. You should see what they are truly. So this is the time for you to see them with your heart. Let go of that artificial shine and sparkle that you see that is visible to you, and go for that authentic shine, what they are truthfully in their heart of hearts. So this may be your energy or that person's energy, guys. Maybe you are trying to hide something about yourself or they are trying to hide something about themselves. So you need to go for truth. That is what this card is about, guys. Genuinity, authenticity, that is the card for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is fair, brown and trembling gifts. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, you need not accept the fate what other people have allotted for you. You need to overcome your shyness and all that you have done, all that you have faced for this person, that humiliation and whatever pain you have endured. It has brought you something today, some positive changes today, and you need not accept what other people think of you, and you need not value the people who do not value you or respect you. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who protect you, who respect you, and who will fight for you and search for you if you are not there. So you need to be with people who are there with you no matter what, and who love you for what you are and respect you genuinely, guys. So that is what this card is about. So who value you the most and who love you the most. And so even within your family or close friend circle, people really envy you. They are jealous of your gifts or the way things are in your situation. And you need to understand that your good fortune or gifts or whatever positive things you possess has been given to you, and it is your gift to enjoy, guys. You need not give away this happiness to someone else, because they may not realize its worth and they may not enjoy the fruits of your rewards, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who truly respect you and care for you, and you need not listen or respect to people who just um, see you as someone who can bear everything, who can take all humiliation, and you should not let others to use you. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the meaning of this card. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.